How to add near wallet address to Trust Wallet and easily receive this crypto token on your wallet. This is very easy to do, so follow my steps and let's start. First of all, you have to scroll the main page of Trust Wallet a little bit. After that, click on button Add Tokens, and as you can see, there are a lot of crypto tokens here. However, to add near, you have to write near in the search bar. Then click here and finally click done. So near is on the main page of our Trust Wallet app, and to receive this crypto from someone, you need to click on it. And after that, click receive. Also, one of the ways of receiving near crypto is to show this QR code to a person who is going to send you this crypto token. But also you can get near by copying your near wallet address and setting the amount of money you want to receive. Like and subscribe Softpro. We make easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.